Hello everyone, join us for Ben10 Hero Time exclusive weekend with character dining with the newest Cartoon Network characters, which is Ben10, He Blast, and Forearm. There's also gonna be a sing-along and a dance party with Ben10. And there's also going to be an exclusive Ben10 theme arts and craft for the kids. And there's going to be more things. We can't wait to show you guys and also give you some tips for your visit. But first, let's go give you a tour of our room. We have the pool and Powerpuff Girl Splashville and Grounds View. The pools are not open as of yet because it's still cold, so probably in May 2022 they will open. This is our room, Ben10 theme room. So cute. So we have a table with the chairs. Look at the beautiful curtains, black and white stripe. Very nice. We have a AC. We have 2 double beds with the Ben10 theme decoration. This is so pretty. We have a nightstand with drawers. We have a clock, a phone, the lamps. Let's turn this on. Very nice. Look at the wall theming. Every room has this details at the wall. We have a TV, we have a dresser with plenty of storage. We have here a mini fridge. Very nice. We also have a ice bucket with cups, coffee makeup, cake cups, little lamp. We have a Bing bag and the Ben10 Forearm and He Blast art decor. To the right, we have this beautiful light up mirror. We have some towels. We have some lotion, soap. We also have some tissue. And right here we have extra blankets, hair dryer, and look at that beautiful basin. We have extra storage right here, as you see. Some hangers. And towards the right, we have the bathroom. We have a shower with a tub. Very nice and clean. We have more towels. And that's the commode. And a whole body mirror. And there's also shampoo, conditioner, and shower wash. The bathroom looks very nice and very clean. And there's a trash can. Look at the rugs, very nice. Here's the brochure for the Ben10 Hero Time exclusive weekend package. These are the days that the event and activity is going to take place from Friday, March 18 through Sunday, March 20. There's gonna be character dining. There's gonna be sugar cookie decorating. There's gonna be brunch, dinner. You can look through the brochure for future reference when this event come by again. This is the other side of the brochure. If you didn't purchase the Ben10 Hero Time Weekend Package, here you have the pricing for each activity that is included in the package. So if you didn't purchase it, you could pay it separately. You can see here the Ben10 Omnitrix Sugar Cookie is $5. The Characters Canva bag painting is $15 per bag. They give you the timing also. And you can see also right here that they can make their own Omnitrix for $5 per bracelet, and the virtual reality, that's the arcade, $7. And also $15 for 3 plays. This is very nice. They have the timing for the indoor pool. And yeah, this is a great brochure that will help you to make a decision if it's better for you to buy the event packages that they will be having and hosting here at the hotel, or if it's better for you to buy each activity separately. I did it separately because it was cheaper for me. Our room was clean, sanitized. Our beds were comfortable. Our sheets very clean. We had everything we needed. We have no complaints. And the room is very cute. Ben10, imagine. So adorable. One of my favorites. Okay, let's talk about Ben10 Hero Time Weekend Package. Cartoon Network Hotel was offering a package for 4 people for $695. And this package included a 2-night stay from Friday, March 18 until Sunday, March 20th. It included brunch, dinner, and breakfast. Brunch and dinner was for March 19 on a Saturday, and breakfast was for Sunday, March 19 checkout date. It also included character dining, Ben10 exclusive theme arts and craft, a VIP badge for the kids at check-in, and a lanyard and a special receipt at checkout. This is for the children. It also included for the children to build their own Omnitrix and paint their own Ben10 bags, a sing-along and dance party with Ben10, Heat Blast, and 4 Arms. And I believe this offer is very good, but you also have the option to buy everything individually. Meaning you could book the rooms individually, you could buy the exclusive Ben10 arts and craft individually, you could buy the breakfast, meaning you could pay for the breakfast, for the brunch, or dinner separately. But the only thing you couldn't really buy was the VIP badge and the lanyard that they were giving the children, because that was something special if you would have got the package. So what I did was I did my math, and it was convenient, better for me and my family to buy everything separately and individually. And it was way cheaper for us, and probably this could also work for you. So all I'm saying is, I'm not saying to don't buy the package for future events here. I know they are worth it, but then you got to do the math for you and your family and pick what's right. We book our room through hotel.com, and hotel.com had a special, I would say, and then it gave me a secret prize, and the night here for my stay came down even $10 more cheaper each night. So that was a plus. I mean, I saved a lot for staying here for 2 nights. And then we buy our dinner separately, and we also pay our breakfast separately, because we didn't went to eat at the Cartoon Kitchen brunch, because in reality we was not even hungry. So we saved money there. So when we did the math, we really saved more, and we still got to meet the new characters. We still got to go to the character dining and stay here for 2 nights. We had a blast, and we didn't have to pay all that money. We didn't have to do the arts and crafts because the kids didn't want to do them. So we saved money there. You see, sometimes we got to find out what our family wants to do and what they don't want to do. And then that's when you make the decision. And then that's when you will be like, okay, does this package really work for us? Or should we buy anything separately? So that's my tip for you guys. You could find the room rates for Cartoon Network Hotel at hotel.com for cheaper. It will give you also sometimes a secret price on top of whatever it costs. It could come out cheaper, and you could save money. I'm telling you, try it and you will thank me. Overall, we love our room. We are going to see Ben10 4-arm heat blast. We are going to download it on a separate video. And if you want to see the newest character of Cartoon Network, hit that subscribe button and don't miss out our next video. Thank you for watching.